This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Sikiti. Large home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage on a large lot with green belt behind it. Amazing floor plan that makes the home live bigger. Formal living room with gas fireplace and access to your back deck with only trees behind you. Large formal dining area with built-in cabinets. Vaulted ceilings in the kitchen and lots of light. Appliances stay with the home, breakfast bar. And second living room and dining off kitchen. Spacious primary room with built-in cabinets, walk-in closet, large bath with walk-in shower and jetted tub. Large yard with barbecue pit area and outbuildings with a fully fenced-in yard. 3-car garage with lots of workspace. For more information, review the details below.